There are times when getting lost is a good thing. We are not talking about getting physically lost, but getting lost in nature, forgetting the craziness of the outside world and clearing your mind of stress and worry. Feel free, alive, and full of peace. Nature can do that for us if we let it. So come with us, get lost in nature, have some fun, and take a break from worry and stress.
Yeah, because we're just going around the lake.
1 mile loop, okay.
We had just 3.
Yeah. Definitely a nice little hike. Ooh, some old dead growth.
Yeah, that's some dead wood.
Hopefully we get to see the loons again.
No wrong. They find you, you don't find them.
Sounds like they settled down from this morning when they were... Oh, there they are, right over there too. Uh-oh, squirrelies. Yeah, little red squirrel. Letting everybody know we're here. Oh. Oh, that is cool how that tree grew out there, eh?
It's got a couple branches and what it needs most water.
Way to go, nature. Cool. There they go. Oh, they're just right there. They're just having a good old time. Come on, loonies. Yeah, I wish we had our boat. It'd be a beautiful day for floating around the lake.
Tree hugging. Oh. Can you laugh at me?
Oh, the loonies disappeared already. Maybe they went under.
Well, there's a lot of yapping going on over there.
Yeah, it sounds like they're having a good old time.
I would rent those cabins, but they're so open bay. I like that.
Plus, every time we come here, they seem to be really busy too. No, I'd rather spend a weekend in our little Pippa.
Papa.
Oh, there's a nice big old tree. Somebody dug out a little house there.
You're gonna have to look it up and explain to them why they call this the Cessna Trail.
Oh, yeah.
You heard the story, right?
Yeah, I think you told me. I don't remember the whole story, but I
Well,
remember.
the big pine marked the area as far as the tax man could go. Couldn't go no more. Had to stop there because the rest was all privately owned. Couldn't assess it because he turned it over to the federal government.
Mm.
The Cessna Trail.
The old assessor, huh?
Tax man coming.
Yeah. Gorgeous everywhere you look.
Heavy winds in here, huh?
Hmm?
Heavy winds.
Oh, wow. That's a big tree to fall down.
Oh, he's jammed up.
Yeah.
You need this one here to break off, and it's cracked up pretty good.
Ooh, wow. Yeah, they got a whole domino thing going there.
Yeah. So you hear a lot of cracks, go that way.
Yeah. Get the hell out of here.
Hi.
You get your stretches looking up at that tree, huh?
Oh shit.
Oh, stretch. There. Workout complete. Gorgeous woods. Oh, pretty red little mushroom. Oh, wow. Nice roots. Ooh, some funky fungus. Somebody looking for lunch.
No problem. What do you see, huh? What do you see? Bears or what?
Wow, yeah, they're really ripping these logs apart.
Mm-hmm. Now, how would you like to live here and make a living out here? Oh.
Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, another one ripped apart.
Ask for a ride back. Starting to sweat now.
Yeah, it's getting warmer.
There's a good berries den for the winter. Crawl in there and just lay down, these snow cover you up.
Yeah, looks like you can get kind of back in there.
Fishy, big one.
Wow, he's just slapping around.
Yeah, right down in there. He was. If I can find him. But we're sinking. You're getting taller than me. I know I'm sinking.
You know something's wrong when I'm getting taller than you, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
Very,
short shorts.
very spongy.
But they're nice, you know. I think they're cheap too.
Probably, yeah.
Like 65 a night.
It sure seems like more than a mile.
Yeah, I think Forest's bullshitting us.
So we got a long ways to go yet.
I don't know.
Oh, and the beach is way over there.
Yeah.
And we got to go way past that yet. But that's okay with me. It's a nice walk. $30 a day for both.
Rental. That ain't bad. Heater rental. Fan rental. Kitchen rental. See, there's a big hall there.
Oh, it's to like the rec hall?
Yeah, you can actually rent the kitchen here too. Full-size kitchen.
Ah.
That's $50 a day. I don't think the prices are that bad.
No, they're not.
Uh-oh.
There's some critter condos.
Stick your head in there. There's something looking at me. I'll
Are
baptize
you
you.
kidding me? Oh, that's
Funky.
cold.
That probably felt really good, didn't it?
It felt cold, actually.
Really?
See,
Oh, what?
right there, cold.
Where? I guess I just have to get used to the idea of buying firewood when we go camping.
A lot of cool roots.
Yeah.
All these cool roots.
Yeah. Life will find a way.
Ooh.
Huh. Critters. See a human skull?
Yeah, no telling what lurks under them roots.
Hearts of George, probably. Oh, the scatter on here, huh?
That's a what?
Scat.
Oh, scat.
Shit.
Thought you said scatter. I thought, what? Talking about bugs scattering or
No,
what?
the shit scattering.
Go for it, dear.
Watch close, see how it's done to fall.
Yeah, with only them sandals, you should have our hiking boots on.
Come, I catch you. Love her. Come this way.
What's better about that spot than this spot?
Less branches get caught.
Oh, to get your sack hooked on?
Yeah, there's nothing here.
Yeah, that looks slippery too.
There's not. Did you see the unchlorinated guy fall? No. Anything in there? Nice sunny area.
Can't see anything. Oh, there's one up there. Looks like he's about 5-6 inches maybe.
Oh wow.